Make a great choice today with 2006 Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun. With its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6, the Dakota brings you the ultimate mid-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, auto express down window, alloy wheels, adjustable headrests, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.